following message is transmitted at the request of local authorities. A dangerous creature has escaped from a containment cell in the town of Spanaway. This creature has been identified as SCP-173, which is a creature made up of concrete. This creature will attack if direct eye contact is broken. SCP is a team organization, which stands for Secure, Contain, and Protect. All residents of Spanaway are advised to shelter in place immediately. Close and lock all doors and windows, and keep pets and children inside. If you see this creature, and make eye contact with it, do not look away, as you may face certain death. Instead, call the Spanaway SCP team at 1-800-231-6581. Do not attempt to search for this creature, as you would be putting your life in danger. For more information, tune to KOMO on your television, or to KMPS at 94.1 on your radio. This warning remains in effect until further notice.